The new LRT3 validators are built directly into the gate chassis, completely replacing the clunky external readers seen at older stations. These gates use smart routing. They can automatically switch between entry and exit modes to help manage heavy crowds during peak rush hours. At launch, the gates natively accept standard touch-and-go cards, My 50 passes, and paper or digital QR codes from the Pulse by Pressurana app. Future features: waiting for activation. The gates are already future-proofed with built-in hardware that just needs a software update to turn on. An internal antenna loop is ready to support EMV contactless technology. This will eventually unlock direct taps for bank cards, Apple Pay, Google Wallet, and Samsung Wallet. The scanner hardware is also pre-configured for the national Do It Now QR framework. This will eventually let you scan and pay using your favorite Malaysian banking apps and e-wallets. The image showcases the top panel validation module of a next-generation LRT3, Shah Alam Line, Automatic Fare Collection, AFC gate. These turnstiles incorporate native digital-first technologies to transition the rapid KL network into a more accessible and seamless transit experience. The primary features visible on the interface include 1. Unified, contactless, and open payment validator. Visual icon. A prominent circular black decal featuring a payment card and wireless radio waves. Functionality. This area serves as the contactless RFID NFC card reader zone. Supported modes. It supports standard and enhanced touch-and-go (TNG) cards. It is also engineered to support open payment systems, enabling riders to directly tap contactless Visa and MasterCard credit debit cards or mobile devices configured with Apple Pay or Samsung Pay. 2. Native QR code scanner terminal. Visual icon. A distinct square black symbol resembling a stylized QR code with scanning brackets. Hardware window. Positioned directly below the icon is an integrated rectangular glass-covered optical camera lens with a central sensor point. Functionality. Unlike retrofitted readers found on older transit lines, these gates possess built-in optical QR scanners from day one. This allows commuters to scan digital tickets directly from smartphone apps, such as the MyRapid Pulse app, e-wallets, or Do It Now QR, as well as paper-based QR tickets printed from station ticket vending machines. Here's exactly how to use your paper tickets at the gate. 1. Flatten the ticket. Ensure the QR code on your paper ticket is completely flat and not folded, wrinkled, or crumpled. Creases through the barcode can prevent the camera from reading the data. When a paper ticket gets creased or wrinkled directly across the barcode, it changes how light reflects off the paper. This distorts the pattern, making it unreadable to the digital camera inside the scanner window. 2. Turn it face down. Flip the paper ticket over so the printed QR code faces straight down toward the illuminated white glass window. 3. Hover at the right distance. Do not press the paper flat against the glass. Hold the paper about 3 to 5 centimeters, about 1 to 2 inches above the glass window. This leaves enough space for the camera underneath to focus and read the code. 4. Keep it still for 1 second. Hold your hand still for a brief second. Once you hear a beep and the barrier opens, walk through right away. Important tips for paper tickets. Keep it dry. Sweat from your hands or raindrops can smudge the ink, making the QR code unreadable. Keep it until the end. You must use this exact same paper ticket to scan out at your destination station. Do not throw it away until you completely exit the transit system. If the gate ever flashes red or refuses to read your paper ticket, simply step over to the customer service counter right next to the gates, and the station staff will assist you manually.
Current gate status. You cannot use credit cards, debit cards, or mobile wallets like Apple Pay to tap directly at the LRT3 Faregates right now. The card symbols on the gate screens are just placeholders. The physical readers are installed, but the back-end software is still being deployed. If you try to tap a Visa, MasterCard, or My Debit card, the turnstile will show a failed read error and stay locked. How to pay for your ride right now. To pass through the transit gates today, you must use one of the following physical card options to tap in directly.
Standard prepaid cards. Standard Touch and Go, TNG, classic physical prepaid cards used nationwide. Enhanced TNG, NFC-enabled cards that reload directly via your smartphone. MyCAD, Malaysian identity card with an activated TNG chip. Special passes and concessions. My 50 MyCity travel passes. Unlimited travel passes tied to your MyCAD or TNG card. Rapid KL concession cards. Discounted passes for students, senior citizens, and OKU. If you do not have a transit card, you must buy a single journey QR paper ticket from the station machines. LRT3 uses these paper tickets instead of the round plastic tokens found on older lines. You will scan this paper QR code at the gate terminal to enter and scan it once more to exit. How to use your bank cards at the station. While you cannot tap your bank card at the gate, you can still use it inside the station to buy your fare. You can insert or tap your credit or debit card at the automated ticket vending machines to purchase a single journey QR paper ticket. You can also use your bank card to reload an existing Touch and Go card at the TVMs or at the customer service counters. The Future Open Payment Rollout Timeline. Presarana is finalizing the contract for a network-wide open payment system. The official countdown for the rollout will begin as soon as this contract is signed. Once the contract is officially awarded, the upgrades will happen in 3 distinct phases over a 30-month period. Within 12 months, the first 30% of all rail fare gates will be upgraded to accept direct bank card taps. Within 15 months, full bank card coverage will go live across all Klang Valley bus networks, including Rapid KL and MRT feeder buses. Within 30 months, full 100% integration will be complete across all rail lines, including LRT3, LRT Kelana Jaya, and both MRT lines. Supported payment methods. When the system goes live, passengers will be able to tap in and out at gantries using debit and credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, My Debit. Mobile wallets, Apple Pay, Google Wallet, Samsung Wallet. QR codes and NFC devices.